I am using service user validator interface, and I'm just calling is valid method. In the method there are three parameters. The first parameter is the username, system username. The second parameter is subservice name. You can see it here, string service name. So service name is the symbolic name of the bundle. I'm getting the symbolic name of the bundle using framework util API. And here this is the subservice name. It is not mandatory to have a subservice name. If you don't want to have it, we can just, you know, just can make it null. So here I am validating that if this particular combination is available or not, and if this particular combination is available or not. So let me build the code, and I'm just using auto install bundle. So meanwhile, I need to tell you about the configuration. I will go to user mapper configuration, and in this I will be having Sling models. So I am having a combination of this particular bundle with this subservice with this CUG service system user. This is the system user available in my AEM, and let me check if the code is built. Yes, code is getting built. So what should happen? So this should return true because this particular service mapping is available, but this should return false because there is no system user CUG-service1, and there is nothing like the combination of this service mapping. So yes, my code is built. There is a servlet I need to call, and yes, there is a true and false. So in the scenario 1, we have this particular thing true, and this is not a valid service mapping, so this is false. My next configuration is whitelisting for administrative login. So we are very much, in a habit of using resource resolver factory okay, and here what we need to do, we need to resp dot get writer dot print, and here, sorry, first of all we need to pass this. We are just getting resource resolver is equal to resource resolver factory get administrative resource resolver null. You can see this is a deprecated one, and now this is not used at all anywhere. So we are putting resource resolver here. There is an error here, so there is a try catch need to be there. So let me have a try. Catch. I'm just putting exception. Print structures. Okay. So I'm doing this. Now I'm building the code. So this is a deprecated thing, and this is not recommended at all. But sometimes we just, because of hurry, or we have some old bundle existing in my application and I just want to use it. So how we can use it? So let me open my log file as well. So crx quick starts logs and error dot. Okay, so let me clear the log, and the code has been built, and I need to check. There is nothing. If I see my log file, I can see that there is the warning that bundle is not whitelisted. Bundle is not whitelisted for, this is an error. Okay, so what we need to do, again see it clearly that com Adobe Granite repository bundle is not whitelisted to use. So what we can do, we can just directly go to the configuration. We can see whitelist. We can just put the symbolic name of the bundle over here. So close it, and we can just put the symbolic bundle over here. Okay, so this is how we are whitelisting our bundle. Now clear the log file, and yes, now we are able to get the object of a resource resolver. There are some more ways to do that. If I don't want to do that, I'm just removing it. So if there are a lot of bundles and I'm not aware about that, what are the what are the symbolic name of those particular bundles? I just want to bypass. This is a little risky, but if I just want to bypass all the bundles who are having uh, administrative resource resolver, so I'm just clicking on it and just yes, I'm again getting the object. If I remove it again, the same error will be there. There is nothing, and again the error will be there. Again the error will come. Sorry, there are a lot of things which are breaking, so let me delete it, and once again I need to check. Yes, again the issue is coming that this is not whitelisted to use administrative resource resolver. So these configuration are very useful. Bypassing the all the bundles is not recommended at all, so don't use it. Always use Apache Sling login admin whitelist configuration fragment if you are in a hurry and you just want to use your old applications in the same way you were using. So this is how Sling service authentication works. Thank you.